Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share my recent favorite recipe, dates chocolate bark, with just 4 ingredients. If you have a sweet tooth like me, but are also looking for a healthier option, then you are in the right place. This recipe has no added sugar and is perfectly balanced in taste. Let's get into the recipe. First, let's melt 1/3 cup of dark chocolate chips with a big chunk of butter in the microwave and set it aside. Then take about 12 to 15 dates. I used 14 dates. Remove the seeds and cut them in half. Arrange the dates in a baking tray lined with a parchment paper, just like shown in the video. Next, take a small glass bowl or something slightly heavy and press the dates down, flattening them as much as possible. Mine were a little dry, so it was harder to flatten them. But if you have fresh dates, it will be much easier to press them down. Now take 4 to 5 tablespoons of almond butter or peanut butter and spread it evenly over the dates. This gives the bark a nice nutty flavor. Then spread the melted dark chocolate over the almond butter. Make sure you have enough chocolate, as this is the main ingredient that holds the bark together. Finally, sprinkle chopped pistachios on top. I used salted pistachios from Costco, but if you are using plain pistachios, just sprinkle a little sea salt on top to balance out the flavor. Now let's freeze this for 8 to 10 hours or overnight until it is fully frozen. I kept mine in the freezer overnight. And there you have it. Our delicious dates chocolate bark is ready. You cannot really cut it, so just break it into bite-sized pieces. Enjoy your yummy barks. It is a perfect balance of sweet, nutty, slightly bitter from the dark chocolate and crunchy from the pistachios. Make sure to store it in the freezer or it will melt. The bark looks gorgeous and it was really yummy. You should definitely give a try and don't forget to share your comments with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this. Thank you.